Is algae, mold, and mildew taking over your home? Meet the best way to clean your outdoors. All you need is GUNK Instant Outdoor Cleaner with Pro Sprayer and a garden hose. First, spray the surrounding plants and shrubs with fresh water. Next, connect your hose and ensure the thumb trigger is in the off position before turning on the water. Then push the trigger when you're ready to spray. You can adjust the concentration dial for light or heavy-duty cleaning and use the nozzle to choose the right spray pattern for the job. Horizontal fan for wide surfaces, vertical fan for walls and fences, or stream pattern for higher, hard-to-reach areas. Spray on a dry surface and saturate the area with the product while controlling the flow and pressure right at your thumb. Let the product sit for 3 to 15 minutes, depending on the surface and soil level. Finally, switch the concentration dial to off and adjust the spray pattern to stream. Then rinse and wash it clean. Safe for pets and plants, tough on grime, easy to refill. It's a dark day for black mold. Go gunk your stuff.